Hello children, welcome to our SST class. Last few videos we were seeing important cities, that is Delhi and Mumbai. In today's class we are going to discuss about the third important city, that is Chennai. Do you know what was the old name of Chennai? Old name of Chennai was Madras. And as like Mumbai, this also is facing to one water body. Can anybody guess? Yes, Chennai is facing to Bay of Bengal. Then tell me then which coast it might be. Last time I showed you. Yes, we are having two coast areas, that is one was western coast and the eastern coast. And Mumbai was in western coast. And Chennai is in eastern coast. Okay, facing to Bay of Bengal. And, okay, then tell me, which state capital it is, children? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then we will go and see in details about Chennai. Chennai is another big and important metropolitan city of India. Earlier, it was known as Madras. Location: Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the southeastern coast of India. It faces the Bay of Bengal. It has a big port. Many big and small ships bring goods from other countries here. Large quantities of goods are also carried from our country to other countries from here. So, which state capital is Chennai, children? Tamil Nadu. And it is facing to Bay of Bengal. Government: the governor, the chief minister, and other ministers of Tamil Nadu government lives in Chennai. All other state government offices are also located in Chennai. Language: Tamil is the main language of the people of Tamil Nadu. Food: rice is the main food of the people. They eat it with sambar and curd. They also like to eat idli, dosa, vada and upma. So, which is the main food of the people of Tamil Nadu, children? Rice. Climate: the climate of Chennai is hot throughout the year. It gets more rain in winters. People mostly wear cotton clothes throughout the year. Since it is hot throughout the year, people wear cotton clothes. Industries: there are large number of industries are located in Chennai. The most important industries are information technology industry, cotton textiles industries and also silk cloth industries. It has factories which makes cycles, cars, trucks and railway coaches. Chennai also has an oil refinery. I told you in the last class, I'll show you the oil refinery, isn't it? Okay, this Chennai is having an oil refinery. So Mumbai we saw crude oil they remove from Bombay High and they sent it to refineries. Okay, it comes to place like this, and from here they will separate different product. Okay, those different products are sold to the people for different uses. Clear, children? So Chennai is having an oil refinery. Tanks are also manufactured at Avadi in Chennai. See the pictures now normally uses for our military people. Different types of tanks are manufactured at Avadi in Chennai. Chennai has a very well-known film industry. It produces Tamil and Hindi films. Okay children, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.